Ouch, I just got stung by a wasp. It feels like I just got stuck with a sharp nail and it got pounded in. And now it is swelling and itching like crazy. You don't have any over-the-counter bug sting medicine in your first aid kit? Now what? Here is my home remedy to the rescue. Instead of running to the store, just use simple stuff you already have at home. And it works! In fact, I feel it's better than the stuff you buy at the store. Living out on 5 acres, I know what it is to be stung by a wasp. It has happened to me a few times over the years. Let me show you exactly what I do so you can fix it fast. Step 1. Clean and neutralize. First, wash the sting gently with soap and cool water to clean it. Then I grab some vinegar with a cotton ball. Use white or apple cider vinegar. You can also use lemon juice. Make sure it is real lemon juice, not the bottled stuff. Either one you use, vinegar or lemon, dab it on and let it sit for 5 minutes. Wasp venom is alkaline, so a little acid helps neutralize it and calm that burn. Step 2. Ice it. Pull out your trusty ice bag, or any ice pack you may have. Even a plastic bag with ice and a washcloth will do. Ice constricts blood vessels and keeps swelling down. Do it for 10 minutes on, then take a short break before icing again. Step 3. Soothe and stopping the itch. While you rest, make a quick baking soda paste, just plain baking soda and a little water. Spread it over the sting and the surrounding area of the sting. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. It will dry, and it will help pull out the venom and ease the itch. Oatmeal paste works too if that's what you have on hand. Whichever one you use, just make sure it dries really well. This is what draws out the venom. Step 4. Calm the sting naturally. After rinsing off the paste, dab on raw honey. Make sure it is raw honey. Regular processed honey does not have the same healing ability. Raw honey has natural antibacterial power, plus it calms the sting. You can also use aloe vera gel. The commercial kind is okay if you have it. But the best is to clip it right off the plant, if you have one, and rub it in. Both are soothing, reduce inflammation, and calm the sting. Step 5. Bonus overnight trick. Before bed, give the sting a gentle wash, dab on vinegar, ice it for 10 minutes, rub on baking soda paste, and apply aloe or honey once more. Then lightly wrap it so you don't scratch it in your sleep. Elevate it, and then get some sleep. So next time a wasp gets you, just remember, you probably already have everything you need at home to stop the pain, swelling, and the itch. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, especially with someone who just got stung. For more simple practical tips, be sure to subscribe to Kindly Simple. See you at the next video.